Padahal gue sendiri gitu yang gitu. Kenapa gue yang ngelus lagi? Oh no my god. Ih, indah deh sumpah. Walaupun gambar doang ya. Aduh, ngapain ini guys gua? Segitiga. Oh, segitiga menu. Double slash. Vibrate off aja. On bisa emang. Mode normal. Not stay. Ini ada ini guys. You didn't get enough killing. Oh, gue kira itu siapa? Of Imperial Sandora. Oh, mercenary. Mercenary itu ini ya, pemberontak gak sih guys? What are you doing here? Can you see we're gonna occupy this area and this worm were in our way. Occupy where you sent by the Imperial Army. Even if we were, it's none of your business. You're gonna die soon. Nah nih, gue lihat ribet guys, battle ya. Guys, malam Pak Guru. Attack gak sih? Aduh, oh itu tuh guys, gue ngeliat itu harus pas. Eke coy. Asik, double slash. Berhasil guys. Gokil, jago gak sih gue? Ya, langsung buka kartu ada. Kok buka kartu sih emang kenapa? Healing potion. Wih, dapat guys, gratisan. Aduh, aduh, aduh. Ah, kata dia. Ih, gambarnya bagus deh, sumpah. Suka gua. It's me. Why is Celes under attack? War. Emperor Sandora attacked us. What about the trust? Yeah, suddenly I didn't imagine they could come to such an outlying area. Udah cepet lah, guna deh lu. If only I had come back sooner. There is something you have to do, Sana. Rescue Sana. Only you can. Ah, you're gonna die, bro. Rest in peace, bro. I got your back. What about Sana? Hey, wait. Come on, man. Ini ada peti, ambil dulu kali bang. Burnout, air orang mau ini ya. Orang pengen ngehilangin burnoutnya dia dengan healing gitu. Ini kita dapat burnout bro. Ini apa nih guys? Oh sistem save-nya begitu kayak app ya. Bukan Free Fire, Final Fantasy. Let's go. Save dulu lah ya. Nitip sendal dulu ibaratnya tuh. Ya nggak sih? Iya dong, nitip sendal dulu bang. Bang, gonna die bang. He's gone. Rest in peace man. I got you. I got you. I got your dream, bro. Mau me. Tadi gue dapet apa, guys? Burn out. Fire base individual attack. Dapat 2 lu burn out gua. Ini terus bisa dipakai atau gimana, guys? Darah gua nge-heal nggak? Nggak nge-heal, guys. Cuman tempat save. Aduh, ada orang lagi tadi tuh. Oh, man. Sudah rata dengan tanah, man. Si, man. You gonna die, bro. Wih, ada burung celepuk, cuy. Dari Semarang ke Tangerang tuh berapa jam ya, guys? Emak gua udah tadi sih habis maghrib ngomong udah kilometer 460-an, guys. Udah salah tiga lah itu. Udah mau Semarang. Gue takutnya udah ini udah tengah malam ya. Jam 1 jam 2 kali ya nyampe sini ya. Tapi gue bilang Subang ini kalau udah sampai Subang telepon gue sih. Terus gue OTW langsung. Macet nggak ya? Cipali, guys. Emak gue naik bis soalnya. Ini lagi mbah gue ngebawain barang banyak, guys. Makanya gue duh sebenarnya males ya kalau jemput emak gue tuh bawa mobil tuh. Soalnya di rumah gue jalan lagi pada dibenerin corin, guys. Pasti macet nih. Lo pasti bingung kan, macet apaan jam segini? Ya ini, guys, di jalan gue tuh jalan utama menuju tambang pasir yang ada deket pantai sono lah. Pantai Utara, Tangerang. Jadi banyak ini truk lewat kalau malam-malam, guys. Jadi macet gitu. Kan buka tutup kan. Jalurnya yang satu jalur lagi dibenerin. Males, guys. Kalau mah gua nggak bawa apa-apa kan enak. Bawa motor nyelip-nyelip doang. Don't worry about her. She must be receiving the coordinates of Helena prison by now. Helena, surprised? Hah? Whisper. Oh, tadi tuh janjian cewek itu Sana ya namanya. Miss be kidding, you attack the village only to kidnap Sana. Exactly, but don't worry, I will let you follow them, although not the Helena. To hell. Oh, dia nyebutnya Helena kali ya? Helena tuh yang ini lagu. What's the worst that I can say? Things are better if I stay. So long and good night. Yes, double slash. They gonna die, bro. Dia kabur. That's a full chick. Ini sih pasti kalah gua. Dia udah ngejurus awal-awal, bro. Wih, kuat guys, gua guys ternyata. Heal dulu gak sih abis ini? Wah, heal sih, fix heal. Gak bisa guys. Bisa langsung attack loh. Aduh, nggak kena bos. Wih, dia nggak heal juga bro. Aduh, nggak ngepas coy. Kuat lah ya guys. Gokil. 6. Masih bisa lah ya guys. Haha, they gonna die bro. They gonna die. Delay stick gua. Level up. Volcano. Volcano guys. Apa tuh volcano? Ya gue udah die juga dia. You are going to go rescue Sana, aren't you? I won't stop you, but be careful. Your journey is not yet over, is it? No, you can count on us about Celes. Celes. There should be enough people who can still move. Thank you. When I settle everything, I'll be back with Sana. Palanya goyang-goyang doang, udah kayak boneka galau, tau gak di lampu merah. Heal dulu gak sih? Heal dulu gak sih guys? Heal dulu kali ya. Darah gua habis bos. Wih. Healing potion gua. Lagi gak sih guys? Udah cukup. Wih habis bro. Ini ada bocil guys. Both of you have grown out. Dart, Sadora got everybody. I got them. Everything is okay now. Everybody's dead. Not everybody. What? Not everyone was killed, so you have to help the people in the village. I will rescue Sana. Indeed, do what you can. I'll get medical help. Me too. Kemana nih guys? Oh dia nolongin ini ya. Waduh ribut lagi ke kita guys. Pada nyalain kita gara-gara kita nggak ini bro. We wanted to ask help from Indel's castle, but they say there is a guardian living in the Limestone cave on the way, and we couldn't go. Maybe it's not what apa? Ih, dapat lu gua. Apa tadi, guys? Dapat apa tadi? Dapat apa tadi gua, guys? War of Bulletin Special Edition. Bisa kah dipakai, guys? Edition tuh apa, guys? Volcano gak sih? Naikin ini dulu nggak ya? Double slash dulu lah ya guys. Fokus double slash. Master Tasman. You are Dart. You are safe. I taught you how to use the sword. I won't be killed so easily. But we were outnumbered. I couldn't stop them by myself. You already heard about Sana. I am heading to Helena. Then have a match with me before you go. I want to see if you have the ability to rescue Sana. Ribut nih. Master, don't be silly. Ya gue diajakin ribut bro. Oh ini gurunya dia ya? I will remind you about the ABC of sword fighting I taught you. Additional skill. Counter attack nih. Eh, aduh gak sempet guys. Ah salah guys, salah guys. Belajar ya guys, belajar ya guys. Aduh lama anjing. Aduh kelamaan guys, kelamaan guys. Kecepatan, kecepatan gua. Cepetan guys. Ini harus sabar anjir. Belajar ya guys. Aduh. Kalau ganti tuh gue langsung pengen mencet gitu loh guys. Sabar Jun, lo harus jago. Belajar ya. Oh lagi. Apa sih? Warnanya bingung gua guys. Oh ada volcano. Counter attack. That's enough. About defense. Apa nih guys? Ah, too slow guys. Berapa kali guys ternyata? Hah? Yes, Gus. Udah cukup ya. Udah berarti aman guys. I'm fine. Ayo guys, journey guys, let's go, let's go.